Welcome to Crypto Trend Update. My name is Trent. Something just flipped here on the crypto market, and this has made me to be so much bullish on Bitcoin. I'm going to share with you this price chart here and tell you why I'm currently bullish right now on the Bitcoin market. And also we are going to compare this to the ETH price chart here to tell you how bullish I am on the crypto market right now. So make sure you sit around and watch this video to the end. Smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. Right here we are taking a look at Bitcoin on the monthly time frame, comparing it with the crypto fear and greed index, and we are going to take a look at some past price action. If we take a look at it here now, back in 2018, December 2018, you can see the fear and greed index broke below this white line here, fell to as low as 12th, and this was exactly where the bottom was formed in 2018 bear market. And also back here during the COVID-19 in 2020, we had the same fear and greed index falling below this white line here and going as low as 11, and this was exactly where the bottom was formed back in 2020 during the COVID-19. If you look at it here now at this current level here, this was the area when the index fell below the white line here and it printed the exact low back in 2022. The first time it broke below the white line, we went as low as 18th, and here we went as low as 7th, and also here we went as low as 16, as well here as 16 also, and this was exactly where the bottom market was formed. Now if we also take a look at it here, back in March 2025, we had the greed index falling below the white line here, but not as low as this, but it fell below the white line here, and this was when we saw the exact bottom as at that moment, and we had a massive rally to the upside, creating an all-time high of $126k. And now right here on this current market condition, we are already below this white line twice. We first of all broke below it here with this past weekly candle. We went as low as this level here, 17th, and on this current weekly candle, which is going to close a few hours from now, we are way below the white line here, sitting at 14th on the greed index right now. So currently this has made me to be so much bullish, because you can see that taking a look at the past price action, whenever we broke the white line and go as low as 14th, this is when the bottom is usually formed in each bear market. And also if we compare this right now to this current level here, you can see on the monthly time frame we have been defending this level here. This previous level back in 2021 when we created the all-time high, sitting at this current level here. We are currently holding firmly above this level here, and currently now you can see the monthly candle being rejected from this level here. So if you add this and this together and other sentiments that are currently in the market, you see that we are already at the bottom right now. If you compare it to the ETH price chart here, the fear and greed index has also been acting as a major level of support and also a signal for the end of the bear market or the bottom of the bear market. Now if we take a look at it here, back in 2018, it acted as a major key level of support. Immediately we fell below this white line here and we went as low as 10, and this confirmed the end of bear market back in 2018. And also here back in 2020 during the COVID-19, it also acted as a major key level of support here, and immediately we fell below the white line. This was when the bottom was formed in the bear market back in 2020. And also if we compare it here as well, back in 2022, it also acted at a major level of support. You can see we had a drop down here. You can see we had a drop down here. We bounced, we came down to test it, and also we bounced as well. Now we are back to the level, and if we compare this level right now to the greed and fear index, you can see we are already below the white line, and this is signaling the bottom of the bear market. ETH came down here to test this white line here, and we got a massive reaction, being rejecting from the level here. So I'm highly bullish on the market right now, because this has been acting as a major key level of support in the past few years. And also if we compare the fear and greed index with the Solana price chart here on the monthly time frame as well, you can see that's also acted as a major key level of support here on the Solana price chart. You can see back here in December 2022 when we fell below it, this was exactly where the bottom was formed, and we had this massive rally here. So to me, as long as we are below this white line here, both on the BTC price chart here and also on the ETH price chart here, this is a bullish signal that yes, we are already at the bottom. And also, if we take a look at the Bitcoin liquidation heat map here, taking a look at 6 months of price action, you can see we no longer have liquidity below the current price of BTC. The major liquidity right now is building above the current price of BTC. We're having a major level of liquidity sitting at approximately 97k, and also we're having a major level of liquidity sitting at $108,500 level. So in my own opinion, this is the exact time to be bullish on the crypto market. You can currently see they are all aligning for the bottom of the bear market. So this has brought us to the end of today's video. If you find it very useful and informative, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, smash up the like button and turn on the notification bell. I will definitely see you in the next one.